Hello, Dr. Dylan. My name is Doma and I'm going to teach you guys how to make a Tibetan potato momo, which is called dumpling in English. And for the ingredients, you'll need baking powder, flour, 1 cup of chopped up beef, and 1/3 cup of melted butter, 3 potatoes and salt, and 1 cup of water. We're going to boil the potato because we're going to make mashed potatoes. And now we're going to make the dough. For the dough we need 3 cups of flour, and 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and we mix. And 1 cup of water, and we mix it again. Mix it until it looks like this, and you knead it with your hands. Knead it until it looks like this, and I'm going to put it in another bowl and cover it and put it in a warm place for 10 minutes. Now we have the boiled potato right here, and we're going to mash it and put the meat in. I'm done mashing the potato, and I'm going to put the meat. And 1/3 cup of melted butter. And 1 teaspoon of salt. And I'm going to mix it. Mix it well, like this. And so the dough is done, and I'm going to roll it into a thick snake. I made it into a long snake, and you can make it easier. It's easier if you snap it in half and roll the one of the half. And now you'll have to make it into a small ball as wide as a thumb. And you roll it into a ball, and you smash it. And you sprinkle some flour so it won't stick. And you use this to make it flatter. And when you're making it flatter, you have to make sure that the middle stays thicker. And you bring the mashed potato we made earlier, and you put it on top of the dough. How you make it: pinch, pull, 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 pinch, 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 pinch. Just like that. And you need this, and you put some oil on it, and you put the momos in it. And steam it for 15 minutes. I hope you have fun making Tibetan momos, and please enjoy.